We guide you through how to send money from GCash to PayPal in 2025. First thing you need to do is to open your GCash app and make sure your account is fully verified, since only verified users can link and transfer to PayPal. Next thing you need to do is tap the profile icon, go to link accounts, and select PayPal, log into your PayPal account, and link it to the GCash using the same on both platforms to avoid errors. Once your accounts are linked, return to GCash dashboard and tap Cash In, where you'll see the PayPal option under Global Partners. If your PayPal balance is available in USD, it will automatically show up, and you can choose the amount you want to transfer. Review the exchange rate and fees, then tap Confirm, and the money will added instantly to your GCash wallet.